My dear brothers and sisters, we celebrate today the memory and the holiness of Saint Benedict, an abbot. He was famous with this rule of Saint Benedict that his brothers, our brothers in the monastic order, would observe. And he has a lot of rules, maybe for life, for study, for prayer, for community living, and maybe even for personal living. And one of the rules he made was this tradition for Benedictine monks to have the letters DOM, DOM, placed before their names or their religious names. DOM is an abbreviation of the words Deus Optimus Maximus, Optimo Maximo, or Dome is a shortened word for Lord, Dominus in Latin. Benedict wishes to see or to teach his brothers to see in one another that the Lord is alive in them. That as they encounter each other, every respect, every love, every kindness will be given since the Lord is in you. Dahil kawangis ng Panginoon ang kanilang kapatid, mamahalin ko, paglilingkuran ko, at ibibigay ko yung aking sarili sa aking pagtulong. Maybe long before, Benedict thought of this. Joseph had this in mind already, and shall we say, inside the heart of his father Israel, that alive in their hearts was this acknowledgement that the Lord is present in this person. At dahil buhay ang Panginoon, both of them extended their affection and their love for one another. And such, my dear friends, was also present in the apostles. As we continue to hear the mission sending of the apostles, Jesus was as if telling them, do these things, be courageous, do your work, face life knowing that in them God is true, that the Lord is alive. Kahit ba tila may nag-iisip na hindi buhay ang Diyos sa iyong piling, because they will try you, they will persecute you, they will test you, we know that God treats us as Lord. We see in them the Lord. And that is why we will love, we will show goodness, and we will care for them. We are not Benedictine monks here, but it is good that at least to make it present in our hearts and in our minds. That be a good perspective on our end. That inside of us, there is a Dominus. Kung ito lamang po ang pag-iisip at pakikiramdam natin sa tao, tiyak po ako na mainit po ang ating pagsasamahan. May pagdadamayan, walang awayan, walang sakitan na magaganap. Because we see in each other Dominus in life. We revere them, we love them, and we give them the best. Psalm chapter 8 verse 5 would say that God created us little less than the angels. Or some translations would say little less than a God. Because He looks and acknowledges us with that amount of respect and love. God sees us His Son. We are Dominus, and that is why we are loved by the Lord. And may we see that Dominus in others, alive and present, so that we can extend love, we can extend God's happiness and God's tender care.